All right, so now welcome back. We don't sit down still. Where can't balance well to carry you enter waiting day for inside them. You know, all the tourists them wait there for time where we don't gather come to share with you. We don't sit down with them, Gidiwa. And we go start with this particular one. Over to you, Funke.
Before I enter within the happen, I no go hail me. Which kind? I don't see.
Okay, you still carry
this. You still carry this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Make a pour confetti.
Take it. Make I drop this first. Make we enter.
We don't settle matter.
Yes, correct. So make we enter within the happen for Nigeria today. If you never read papers today, don't know what's in the trend, make we let you know. Say, courts don't stop INEC plan to stop voter registration for the end of this month. Make I read another story. They say the Socioeconomic Rights and Accountability project, so that they call SERAP, don't join body with 185 other concerned Nigerians for this month. As this month they take starts, come file lawsuit against INEC. Say they fail to extend the deadline for voter registration so that plenty Nigerians go fit exercise their right, get their voters card. They say for the lawsuit, Sarah can't ask court, say, make them restrain INEC and the agents them from discontinuing voter registration. Just like that. They say, may they extend and reach, may they extend them from 30th of June indefinitely. May we just they go register, they go, so that plenty people go fit until further notice. And I think I like that kind of thing.
But
so
first
that
of all, why they even wait?
Yes.
Why then wait until they carry them go court before they know say they're supposed to extend them?
You know, say they don't get their plan, they don't get their schedule.
No, when you see waiting, they
why they even
change
put deadline
plans
in the first place?
And then you
change
say
plans.
You know, say rule of law day. Some things they will say, you know, if you just extend.
So
like
now
that.
they go extend, that be they no go extend. As court don't tell them say make them
and
no
that's
try.
why it's good
choice
make
now.
we exercise our rights. Waiting Sarah do be say,
I just feel
okay,
like
I want
say,
to exercise my citizen rights. I go carry on, I go court say on I must extend. Courts don't agree.
In fact.
So now it be like now better thing for us.
Before they even carry them go court, them by themselves, they don't
They're
use,
supposed
they
to
don't know,
use
they
their,
don't use their head.
You use your
No
tongue, count your teeth. See say, oh, now like this things be people plenty way still want vote.
People plenty never even
register.
They still plenty and they keep till the end of the month. I make the place they be like say they share money for them.
I don't know why on they surprised they know. They wanna forget the SIM registration. I've been a NIN registration. NIN. Not be so that they extend. It gets sometimes they say, okay, don't end. But people still they holler.
No, I know, and you know, surprise me say they extend. Waiting they surprise me, they say then wait until they carry them go court before they know say they supposed to extend.
This is an election matter.
The next matter where they here, now the one where no be better talk at all. You no sweet anybody for body, and now the one where concern fuel queues. All of us were there for Lagos particularly. You don't see them everywhere. Yesterday, I reached house around 11 o'clock. Che, make I not even talk about that yesterday matter. Yes, so fuel queues don't return again for inside Lagos State, and this one now because of say IPMAN members, some of them don't shut their stations. IPMAN, Independent Petroleum Marketers Association of Nigeria, and then be the people will be saying, you know, they decide say, you don't tire us to do this work, and waiting happen. Then talk say government carry the fuel price go fix them for 165 naira per litre. And as it can't take B now, say the current thing where they see as and they see things they work out, say that 165, I beg you no join, you know even reach waiting, then they take do their business. Say if them really serious, say they won't do, you know, this business of petrol and fuel selling, say now 180 naira and I'm supposed to be.
In other words, what did they talk? They say government they tell us they make we sell for now for 165 naira, 165 naira. But make we tell you now, make we let you know say for us to sell, we be say we go get our own gain. Now 180. No, not let anybody deceive you now. Now the matter now we they settle so.
Now 180.
So they don't even talk say fuel one scarce like this. I mean, they don't even talk say the fuel one
scarce.
It not be safe.
Money when they sell no rich. 165 naira no reach the
but
money
this
where
fuel
they
matter,
suppose
they
sell
don't
and
dey
get
drag
gain.
am since wey I be small pikin. They don't dey drag and they come. Make dem leave this thing for one particular place now. Which one they go up today, tomorrow they go come down. They
No,
go do
they
this
don't feel
one.
leave am for one place. Based on realities, like they just
Based
talk.
on reality.
Things they change, things they increase, things they
You
reduce.
get your market. You know how much you go carry on. You know how much you want put on top, take sell. Government can they tell you say make you sell them for waiting up.
So the governments now where they want move and where they talk say they want they sell for 65. They don't know say themselves they go want add their own.
Now me they ask the question. I've been our government.
You know, say this matter deep where.
It deep, not be
Make
some
we-
we-
make we
Plenty,
enter the
plenty,
next
plenty
matter.
questions. There, plenty questions. There. When I remember last week when we talked about this Burna Boy matter of how we go club, we go see babe with in husband, being partner.
We're not sure saying
we
her
never
husband,
did sure. Allegedly, they
say
talk to their
make we
husband
just use partner.
as in partner. So you can call her. So Tori don't come outside today. They say Burna Boy's accuser said he tried to bribe her family to keep. Shh. You won't use money take closer. The way the thing take come outside there, the girl name will be let me be the name Berilla name.
Oh, na Briella.
Briella. Oh, it resemble Berilla for my heart.
Briella name.
Briella name. Instead don't come outside, come to say say they be one make she shut up. So she come outside on top of her Instagram story, come talk plenty things. And then he even get some people who come outside on top Twitter. In fact, I read and the way he did right now for here, so that you go get and where. Is it the lady where she and her husband and her friend been Burna Boy associates being attacked? Don't come outside, come to say the singer been attempt to bribe her family. Thought say they not talk anything, and this one they talk on top in Instagram page. But the one where even they make me they wonder be say, you know, say they drag this matter on top Twitter. Some people they talk say, I say na the girl na first go meet Burna Boy yo. Say no be the girl do this one, no, na the girl do that one, no be the girl do that one. But you know, say that last week I be telling her say, waiting be this girl reaction when the partner they go attack Burna Boy, when the partner talk say
The
talk
partner
no.
no attack Burna Boy.
But the partner say no.
If they tell Burna Boy say, hey, na me carry this woman come here. And not disrespect. I see they maintain saying not disrespect. You carry your own babes come, not be one, not be two. Person carry one come, you still want come collect the one where you carry come. And you they do one for that kind way where it just insults
As
the
per
ego
Odogu now.
of the man when carry babe come. And the pride, just they injure the pride. Say who you be Grammy Award winner, so.
But waiting me I been asking
You know,
I don't remember say
so,
I
now be say
asked
make you come
waiting
dey
the
disrespect
girl
people up and
talk.
down.
All these things now allegedly, na allegations. We know they sure of waiting day. And the matter can't even, as it take bad, we say, nobody, we no see anybody, we
No
come and talk
evidence
say
at
na
all.
like this.
No,
CCTV, no day.
Because they don't get
also,
evidence.
yeah,
Now,
you know,
Burna
they don't-
Boy.
You know, say they don't also tell Obi Kubana, say make them bring CCTV camera for the, make them provide the CCTV camera to help them investigate. And then talk say they know they put CCTV camera for VVIP
If to say
section.
now you
They
get
don't
that
need to
club.
put that
Make them put
They don't need to put because if they put out things go spoil. Oh.
Of course.
What of those people they don't tell their wife say they travel? Where they can't see you
Some
for
people
CCTV.
go see their husband and their wives with
If
other
to
people.
say now you get that kind
husband
club,
and
you go
wives.
release CCTV.
But you know, if I tell you inside the UK, you see me for Alaba market. That's my own UK. Forget it.
So yeah, so there's the matter day now. Now just people they talk from different angles. The lady they insist say Burna Boy come meet am 3 good times. Burna Boy, some people where they support Burna Boy, they talk saying a lie. Now the lady now go meet Burna Boy, go snap picture with him first, and say no be say.
Let me make
go
ask
meet am.
that question. Say, what did the girl do? Because I know
So
say
if
something
you
good day
see-
somewhere.
if
So,
see
but
celeb
no matter what he do,
and you
was
go
there
take photo.
shooting been there?
No.
Shooting no
One
dey
and
necessary.
not
sha.
gloss over this matter.
The shooting be no did. Anyways, Nadia now we go just grab some more chicken break and we go come back because today we don't talk say we get plenty things we want to talk about. That Father's Day matter, I guess some kind of people where they talk say some women where they wish themselves happy Father's Day and you be woman. What happened to Mother's Day? This and plenty more now we go talk when we don't come back from this break. No go anywhere.
And now welcome back. Make we enter the matter where we want to talk gone today. And the be say, this weekend, Sunday precisely, 9 be Father's Day. As all of us join hands celebrate fathers that day. And you don't say not be like Mother's Day when we say now 4 times at different times for across the world now we they celebrate her. Father's Day now only once a year, now the same day for all over the world. So the matter be say, as far as they take celebrate this one day, just one day in a year, it go still can't get some women where go can't say Happy Father's Day to me. You be man. Why you go they talk say Happy Father's Day to you? Now that they call hashtag Mama the Papa. So now we carry on today. What do you think say is supposed to be? You agree? Say single woman when get children, when we say now she be father and papa and mama to her children, not feel wish herself Happy Father's Day. How you take Siam? So now the thing we want, now the matter we want to discuss today be that. Make a quick read Anike-ade posts about this. I go read the second paragraph. She said, please, no one should come and tell me how I shouldn't take the shine of fathers. So fatherhood is beyond just impregnating a woman. If you are a man and do not perform your responsibilities towards your kids, because you ain't fit to be called a father, and that's on period. So, since I'm playing the dual role in my children's lives, allow me to celebrate myself every day, because it's not easy. That's so Anike-ade take talk.
And you know, say no be only Anike-ade.
I know.
Tonto Dike. Now one person will be say
King Tonto.
King Tonto,
Tonto,
King old. Make I give him her title. King Tonto Dike. She know they miss him. You know, say one of the Father's Day, she actually make herself up for one of the program where they do for her Pekin school. She make herself up to look like a man, and she go that event where they do for her Pekin school. So she also celebrate herself. She greet herself well. You know, she can't talk say, it's not easy to take one role, make it can't remain, say person can't take 2 roles. Say she, where she don't take up the 2 roles, can't be mama, the papa. Say now 2 times the work, 2 times the tears, 2 times the stress, everything 2 times. Because apart from say you go carry mama own, you go still carry papa own, join them. Say, I beg go. Say now strong woman I mean they take to do that kind of thing. And say she be one of them. So she wish herself Happy Father's Day. Can't still wish other single parents, them, other single moms, them where be say they take up single moms.
Single mothers.
I talk that one. Where be say then they take on the dual role of being a mother and a father to their children. Then.
So what could be the problem? A person, see as I dress today, and the metaphor be that. Now be say, I be woman, but I they play the role of papa for my pikins them. When be say they not their papa no show.
Is this supposed to be a problem?
Day. Why you go call the bellyache? Waiting they vex you for there?
May I ask question first? Waiting be role of papa?
To provide.
To provide. So you want tell me say na Tonto Dike na they provide for him pikin?
Make we come out Tonto Dike.
No, okay,
make we even come out Tonto Dike at the moment because we dey talk generally.
We talk about single mothers generally. You want tell me say single mothers no they collect child support from the father of the children.
How you say not say that they collect?
They
you don't know
collect.
how irresponsible some men they, because it doesn't take anything, right? It not take anything to be father, a bit to be man. Now when you born pikin, you know say you join born this pikin and you not take up the responsibility. They carry you go welfare. You agree say you go do this, you go do that. You not do. The woman go
they want to carry you go welfare. You can't agree say you go do and you no go do.
You see what
they plenty where they not do.
You know, because welfare go grab you, except say the matter never reach that level. But if the matter don't reach that level, make I even tell you, it gets some single mothers where don't turn this thing to business.
How?
They don't turn into business just to the born pikin to just born for this man live, born for this man live, born for this man live. So that at the end of the day they go gather all the child support where they
okay, now that one different.
Child support they work for Nigeria.
You they carry us come up from the major issue. We not talk about people where they do business of having children for different men because they won't collect child support. We they talk about people, women where we say they are the man in their lives, the father figure where they for their children, they absent. And sorry, I not be one of those people where they think say the role of a man is just to provide. No, that is the simplest role ever. Man role plenty. As a father, not be only woman dey to nurture. Father too suppose nurture pikin. Your role pass provision. If you they provide, and in this world where we dey now, everybody they provide. You they work, not be work you dey like this.
Of course.
You can't marry, you say na provision. No, everybody they provide. Everybody if you bring money drop for table. Okay? So the job of being a father goes beyond say make you just they provide anything. So I know for
like that, I will tell you, say those mothers,
school of thought.
those
so
mothers know they
any
do the
man
same
where
thing.
they absent for in pikin life, where no if now only money they bring, I beg money, no rich. You no rich to train pikin.
Only make I tell you now something. When I break small, what's also be say they say person be provider. Not be only money you go to provide. You go to provide time. You must provide time for that pikin. If you not there, if you be absent, papa, you not get time for your pikin. You not be responsible, papa.
Okay, so you know why
if na me, they provide that time where I'm supposed to use the kitchen to take nurture that pikin. I say can't they provide your own time where you supposed provide as papa. Excuse me.
I am the father.
Mama the papa.
So hold on first there. No, I don't follow you. Never reach me, you clap hand.
I clap for her.
Okay, they clap for her. You know why I they streamline my own to Tonto and Messi Igbe? Because now the both of them now drag this emphasis from. Nobody their tweets and their posts now you read. So now their posts and their tweets now you read. So me they ask you say the way Tonto take day for our side, you feel say Churchill no go want be part of the Pikin life. Make it forgive this, make it give time, make it give, because if you see their bars goes where they don't they drag themselves, they come since they don't they drag themselves, no be today. And I did sure say Churchill go one day for that Pikin life, but Tonto they be balanced as king where she be because she feels say she fit do everything.
So you know their own a peculiar case. If you know they inside their family, you know fit talk. You don't know now you they see from outside.
Now because say church you know they come outside can't talk. You forget say men know they too talk like that. if you want men they come outside can't they talk waiting they go through. You self go see say this men self they go through a lot, but they know they can't follow now can't drag they follow us because me self na woman now be. They know they can't follow us, can't drag the 5 or 6 Mother's Days where we get. So the only one they know they drag now. Which okay, tell me one man. Tell me one man. No, tell me one man. We don't come aside.
In fact,
come put hashtag Papa the Mama.
Matter plenty.
Give me one.
Make una wait. Make na calm down. Make we drink water.
Okay,
make we drink water. See, you were there for that place. I don't know how you take the vibe you for that side, but we will make we hear. We won't feel your vibe. What do you think about this matter? Some of us think say yes. You know, no matter if you did take on the dual role. Wish yourself happy Father's Day. What do you think for that place we won't hear? And all of us still there here. But for now, we won't go calm down small. Make we come back to follow Nayana. No go anywhere.
Now the matter we still they settle so. Okay, make woman they wish herself happy Father's Day, make her adjust first. So that say
adjust
we're not like waiting with they talk.
Adjust well. You reach to adjust well.
Why you not pure say make woman they wish herself happy Father's Day? Why now she be mama and now she be papa for those children when she they provide for and nurture. Make I use Chikodi word. You fit join us now. We don't open the lines and you can send us comments. We don't open every for WhatsApp, for Instagram, for Twitter, and for Facebook. And make I just let you know say we do also stream live for YouTube. So if you're not there house or you want come out now, if you just carry us. Follow body enter motor where they go.
or maybe they get somebody where they want make you hear them. Exactly. Know their house. Just tell them say tune in to Wazobia Max TV. Sharp for YouTube. Then go see us there live.
So what's in the happen?
You know what they do? If your pikin won't call you now, wait till your pikin go call you mama or papa.
You go call me mama now.
So when you know they call you mama the papa, since now you they carry all the rule.
Bia, don't get it twisted.
I know they get anything twisted. See you. Thank you say you they nurture. Thank you say you they groom, you they train, you carry for womb, you do everything. Thank you very much. We are so grateful.
I don't need your thanks. This
but
thanks
wait, I they go somewhere. I they tell you why you won't confuse. Why you know just agree say you be mama.
I I agree, say I be mama.
So why you see they can't drag the papa title too?
I don't drag her with her. I just they tell you what.
Before we go that break, sorry, Cody, you go talk. Before we go that break, I they talk say the tonto dike na the quotes now. We be King Tonto, Mama the Papa. Because I still they wait, make we
not be only she.
Wait. Now only she and Messi Aigbe they outside now.
We not go fit carry on.
You know say the one who affect her is say make you they think. So I they give it time make you think now as I they talk to Cody now. They think the papa we don't come as I can't say him be papa the mama.
Then plenty.
I never see anyone.
Now you never see.
I never see anyone. The King Tonto way we they talk about. You feel say Churchill never tried to get custody of that pikin, or Churchill never tried to want that pikin.
You two take custody of pikin whenever reach I want to take
now because say Churchill no dey come outside. Okay, make we even go the Messi Aigbe. Make we go the Messi Aigbe because I even see that post where she thought say she dey pay school fees in the abroad and in.
Now Mama Osas, now our own Mama Osas abi.
Mama Osas, go ahead, we dey hear you.
Mama Osasi.
Hello.
Hello, fine woman.
Now 30 seconds.
So. Now well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, so now me. How that day?
We dey fine.
Thank you. And let me talk people now they talk about today. Oh, let's walk a bit. Hello?
We dey hear you. Continue.
Now 30 seconds remain like this.
I like the top people that they talk about.
Oh,
today.
thank you.
Because if really they do both papa and mama work, you go still tell yourself Happy Father's Day. Although the men they follow us drag our own because they don't see them as anything. But we need to appreciate ourselves sometimes.
Thank you very much, Mommy Osas. You do well.
Why una this one now? See, my people they talk saying Bopo to read them. Why una no wait make another person to run? That's a young lady where they look herself for mirror and say, see me, see the way I take fine. Allow me people see the work where you they do. Make them say they try.
I just blow
back to Messi Aigbe. I be still they talk about Messi Aigbe. She thought say she they pay foreign currency school fees. She they do both roles. Then first and do they force and do
Seyene, please.
They force and do
people family matter.
People family matter. You carry come now. You carry am come.
We dey tell you say she celebrate herself. Now the one where we see now we talk about.
If to say anything, they for don't talk am.
Make we talk.
These people they for don't. Women no they keep quiet. They no they keep quiet. They for don't talk am. If to say the papa no they provide, you go hear them. They go put am for there. Say papa no they provide.
What be the purpose of celebrating Father's Day?
What be the purpose of celebrating Mother's Day?
No, they ask you, answer my own.
And now to appreciate fathers now.
To appreciate the role of a father.
Yes, now.
Okay, a father will no play a role, no deserve Happy Father's Day. Mama Sandra, you are welcome.
Hello.
Mama Sandra.
Hello, Mama Sandra.
Hello.
Aha, you're welcome.
Hello.
Hello, we dey hear you.
Yes, so the Mama Sandra they talk.
We dey hear you, Mama Sandra.
Yes. This one I talk when they talk they good though.
Thank you.
Because we good.
Oh yeah, talk your own.
Where their papa and mama no day. Children where their papa no day. Now their mama day. It good make they wish her Happy Father's Day. Because we good.
Mama Sandra, I feel ask you one question.
You know,
children where their papa no day, where their mama no day, we be saying that their papa day nko. Mama Sandra.
Hello.
I dey ask you, I say children will be say their mama no day, na their papa day nko.
Hello.
Okay, be like Mama Sandra. Make her answer that question.
Answer the question.
Make them wish themselves happy. As long as they're involved in their children's lives, then they take care of everything. They do the role of woman and man. Let them wish themselves Happy Mother's Day. For all the plenty Mother's Day where you mentioned, where you say na 6
plenty.
Make themselves come outside. See, I know get issues with this thing. If you be single father and you they do dual roles and it's not easy to be one. Make it come be say you gather the responsibility of another person join body. If you be single father, you they hold the position of mother and father in the lives of your children. By all means, on that day of Mother's Day, wish yourself Happy Mother's Day.
I even get friend where they say, in wife don't die. And then get like 5 children. one day school for Ibadan, one day school for here, one day. He don't remarry. Nine be papa, nine be mama. The other day, say one buy this underwear for one of the girls. I mean, the guy can cook. The guy is both a mother and a father.
So on Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's
Day.
But women just did dramatic, Sha.
We get another call. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Maomi.
Yeah, good evening.
You're welcome.
Yes. This matter when I talk, now we want yarn about.
Okay.
Go ahead.
This matter when I talk, I like how well. Why? Because me, I'm a single mother.
Okay.
With 3 kids. For the past 8 years now, I've been paying for my children's school fees alone.
Wow.
Even if my children, they know they okay, maybe I carry them go hospital, I'll call their papa. Hello, your pikin, take phone, talk to your pikin. You go see him no get chance, later he go come now. So that day will be Father's Day. My children, they wish me.
Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
Make we take Alice from Calabar.
Hello, Alice. Alice, you go need to turn off your TV. We dey hear you.
Hello, Alice.
Okay,
We dey
welcome.
hear you.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, we dey hear you. Alice
Hello?
from Calabar.
Okay, make we tell you, say, anytime where you want call us, the moment where you see, say, we don't take your call, please turn off your TV so that we go get very clear communication. It is very, very important. All right, no forget, say, what we dey discuss this evening now, say, it is proper for single mothers to wish themselves happy Father's Day. Single mothers, maybe by divorce, maybe because of death of their husband or anything. We get another person on top of the phone lines. Hello.
Hello, this is Mommy Precious.
Oh, Mommy Precious,
Precious,
welcome.
they hear you.
Good evening, now well done, no?
We dey hear
Thank you. Thank you.
For what when I talk, me myself, I'm a single mother with 3 children. For 15 years now, I'm the father of my children and the mother of my children. So when it reach Father's Day, I dey wish myself happy Father's Day.
Correct.
Where their father
They
day?
there for my children and me there for them.
Yeah, we need to.
And the children too. Happy Father's Day. Then they greet him well.
Where their father
Man,
day?
when stand for his children. When he reach Mother's Day, make them greet am happy Mother's Day. And woman when stand for the children, make she greet herself happy Father's Day. So I think she celebrate herself. I waiting I get to talk with that.
Precious, you dey hear me?
He not concern Mama
Ah,
Precious. wetin
Mama Precious, where their father day? Where their papa day?
Their papa dey Lagos. He dey where he dey.
He dey where I dey. So their papa no dey contribute, you know they give money, you know they do anything. You know even they call them.
You don't hear why you still they ask
Mama
question. Now
Precious.
absent father.
I no hear
Thank
when
you,
you
Mama
father
Precious.
die.
Happy Father's Day. Yeah.
See this thing, this way we dey drag na just title.
We not drag her.
We not drag any
na
title.
just title to call pikin papa, to make your pikin call you papa and make your pikin. But you know say this thing where
Seyene, make we take
Calm
break.
down.
When we come back, we go join matter for your matter.
I want to ask you a question.
Where we take break. My people, we they come back. They okay make woman they wish herself happy Father's Day for Father's Day. Now the matter we still they settle so. You feel join us for this matter. She saying like me, look me like the bad eye. I not see you.
I know, Kuku, I tell you say before we go that break, I want to ask you a question. You know, say some of these mothers they selfish. If your pikin they wish you happy Father's Day on a Father's Day, that will not be problem. Do you understand? But for make I dey still dey go back because na Toto now na drag come this matter. No, una no leave her, una quote am, una no quote Toto.
We don't waka pass Stone.
No, me I dey go back to your quote. No. Okay, I dey go back to your quote. Okay. You quote Stone to Abi, you no quote Toto.
Okay, go ahead.
You read her post.
Just dey go ahead.
So the way she dey make the father of her son dey absent. Do you think she's doing a good thing to that boy?
Okay, not be the thing where we
now she tell you say she dey make the father of the child dey absent.
Of course not.
Oh, she tell you like that?
Do it? No. What did she dey do again? If not, what did she dey try?
No, I don't understand whether she tell you like that because me I don't know, so I no go fit put mouth on top of this matter. I don't know what did she dey do again. She wish herself happy Father's Day, and na the one where we see. But
just see the one where she go. See the one where she go the pikin school, where she dress like man. Where she go the pikin PTA meeting, waiting she go for. So waiting you think say the pikin go one need that thing, go interpret that thing as.
Make I ask you one question.
Ask me.
How you take sure, say Churchill want go that boy school, go represent as papa? How you take know waiting two of them they drag? You don't know. So now the one way you know, now make you put mouth.
No, because now the one way you say know, then you carry come outside
social media. No,
she no go want talk.
All right,
if
don't forget to follow us talk still.
So the thing why they talk that don't
top of
is it really like the one they do men be that. Now the things women they go through because when they go one talk, they no go let them talk.
You know what's happen? I just feel like say you they repeat the same thing.
Informer
from Lagos.
Informer. We are with you.
From Akute.
Yeah, welcome. Informer.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm so happy I'm getting through this evening, and this is my first time calling on the program.
Not miss them again.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I'm really happy with what you're doing, and I enjoy. I don't know none of this. I thought we'll speak pidgin. I just forget myself.
Feel free.
It better makes person if a woman assume the role of father and mother. It better make the children praise the mama than make the mama they praise himself.
Thank you.
Why? I say there are different situations where because make a woman assume the role of father and mother. In some cases, if it be say the papa don't die, where they say the mama they assume the role, or the papa run come out, leave the children and mama, where they say the mama assume the role of father and mother. But it better make the children see say, oh, my mama they assume role of father and mother. May I praise my mama by wishing her happy Father's Day. Than for mama make it they tell herself say happy Father's Day to me. You know, it's not.
Why do you think it's not proper?
During Mother's Day, fathers, you don't see men doing Happy Mother's Day to me. I don't think it's that common. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Sorry, you didn't hear me?
They miss English pidgin. I'm not so good with pidgin.
No,
okay, thank you very much.
It's fine.
You know what's happening.
Now the same question why they ask now.
We still get another person from Delta State.
But it does catch Seyene today. We get another caller from Delta State. How you doing?
Hello.
Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Me, I'm from S. My name is S. I'm from Sapele.
Okay.
From Sapele.
Talk to us. Sapele.
Will they hear you?
Okay. This issue that they talk about this evening, so I really like her so much.
Thank you.
My own contribution for this issue is that if a mother play the role as a father, it does not mean that, it not mean say the woman will come be man. A woman will be say, if they play the role, only in our school fees, everything, feeding, everything. He not go fit take that position of a man. So that will show say, that thing say to call himself, say they wish himself, say happy Father's Day, that one not right.
It's not
right at all. Because if woman, they play the role the same thing, man, they see they play the role where the woman they see they play.
All right, thank you very much for the one where you don't talk, put on top of this matter. Make we take the polls where we say we put out, and then make we take some messages on top of WhatsApp. Okay, because we've been put out a poll to ask people questions. It's bad for single mom to celebrate herself on Father's Day.
Okay, so people call 40% say it no make sense at all, and 40% say talk say it no bad, and then 20% talk say it no matter. So
40 plus 20, that is 60%. We support and we no care.
Another one say, share we fit also call single mothers papa. No, 75% say no. Yes, and I agree with the 75%. Stick to your mama's role.
Of course, no call them papa.
And
that's
then
not
we
what we
still
are
put
saying
some
here.
for on top Instagram story. This one says, share we fit also call single mothers papa. And then, in fact, they share on 50-50. 25 say yes, 25 say no, 25 say...
How you are?
Just
you see, the one way favor you, quick, you don't identify. The one way you just, you don't finish her.
Me, I know even thought say make you call the, no call and father. It is not proper. You shouldn't call, you know, go call and father. But celebrating her on Father's Day or make she celebrate herself on Father's Day, no be matter.
And I make I tell you, say, it no make sense, make mama. They celebrate himself. On top WhatsApp message, we never still get, and nobody don't send message on top WhatsApp. But if you want to send us message on top WhatsApp, just check on top of the screen. Your screen now, they show now our WhatsApp number, they show on top of the screen. So send us messages and we'll go feel read for there. But if you feel reach us on top of the phone lines, feel free, reach us on top of the phone lines and we'll go follow you talk. But me still they tell you, say, make una choose una struggle or make we choose our struggle.
You know, say waiting at the. I just want to wrap up 2 points. Number one, we say if all fathers were there for the world, no they present for their children life. The essence of celebrating Father's Day for no day there.
If mothers no day income,
the same thing. Now, number 2 point what I want to tell you, we say I know also mind if single fathers celebrate themselves on Father's Day. Waiting they make them know they care. They be like say men know they follow us drag Mother's Day. Now because of probably ego, you know,
now
then they do like
women, their eye for where man
we get one final call. Man never call us. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We they hear you.
Hello, we they hear you.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
We they hear you. Go ahead.
Good evening. I beg, I won't put mouth for waiting on the talk.
Okay,
put.
This discussion is really interesting. You know, say this father, papa thing, they two categories. Some fathers, they there, but they don't care. Some fathers, they don't even care at all. Whether the children, they wake, they sick, they die, they don't even care. So in that aspect of that side, the woman, they really celebrate herself, say yes, I try. But if the man, they try to use, as in to put effort, maybe the money no they too they come, or the effort so they use better fruit. Are you, where the woman, now you get the money, now you they do everything.
Okay.
Then you come they paint the man blue, black and yellow for the children front.
I think so you don't make your point, my sister. You don't make your point, my sister. As Cody don't say so, make I just wrap up with this. Say, my own matter not be say make woman they assume the role of a man. Not be the same way they talk with that. But if you, when you be mama, now you still they do what papa supposed to do for your children. They say Happy Father's Day. You wish yourself Happy Father's Day. I don't know what to go call the wrong person belay for that.
I don't know.
I don't understand.
Make me self say end my own with this one where I want to talk say. We don't agree say you do papa and mama work. Mbopo to read them. Allow your children do the praising. And the women will be say their husband or the men or the father of their children, they contribute for their children life, but they still come outside, call they follow the talk because they do a beraga. The man know they come talk. Now because the men know they talk. I don't tell you before, say if to say men they talk, so many things.
Who hold their mouth
for their outside?
Make men talk.
Necessary.
And that be the issue.
Do you understand? You know they necessary.
Okay.
Make them stick to their women rule.
You get waiting my people they talk. Lizard, he go, he can't fall from up, reach for ground. He look right, he look left, nobody praise him. He can't shake his head, beat his chest, say, I try.
Now lizard be
so
that.
if you be woman where they dear, kudos to you, happy Father's Day to you. Where be say you be single mother, they take care of your family. Kudos to you, happy Father's Day. And man self where they dear, where they assume the responsibility of a woman. Kudos to you in advance. Happy Mother's Day.
Now next year won't be that. Me as I finish, so make I celebrate on her. Women,
fire go catch this clothes.
when they play the role of father for our children, all of our children don't tell you, Mama, happy Father's Day. I salute you today.
Correct.
My name is King Funke Treasure.
All the fathers where they there, no worry. I know so now they go through a lot, but we. Women, we no go see let una drink water, drop cup.
All right, we they come back.
You still say you don't cut me.
On our welcome back, we see the better talk, hashtag better talk, hashtag mama the papa, and it's what we talk about today be that. Say, okay, make woman, they wish herself happy Father's Day when you not be man. Is they okay? Yeah. Be not they okay?
We get a message for YouTube.
Okay.
Obi na here na just say, mother, I be man, I be woman can never be man. That's how God made it. Accept it. You know if it change.
No, we're not dragging.
All right, quickly we go enter something. It sweet me for body. This particular story we no go miss because this boy. This road to me Chikodi don't make us proud. You know, say they carry bad news concerning Nigeria everywhere. But this one say na lie, na good news they go carry come. This young man where they see here don't win scholarship worth $2 million. Not be naira, dollars. Naimi don't win. Come become the first black national merit scholar, and they accept them for 15 top universities around the world. Excuse me. Naim be waiting this guy do. Make we check him out.
You know, say
Rotimi Chikodi. What do you not think about this particular one?
You know, say me not they surprised like that. You see this country where they call Nigeria now very special country with very special people. The tsunami where we get now bad governance and bad leadership.
There is tsunami. In fact, it pass tsunami self.
In fact,
what to be down where they spin?
Well, in fact, on this note, make we carry our kaya, make we carry our bongboro. They come up from inside the studio here.
No matter what everybody talks. I'm not going to tell you well done. Make I tell you well done, well done. Well
so
done.
You know, tell me well done.
My name is Funke Treasure. I thank you for joining us today for this better talk.
Now still your friend on TV, Chikodi the coordinator, signing out.
And I know they ever change, Seyene the last born.
Bye-bye.